getting the maximum out of the jib in broad reach is adjusting the cart, the traveler of the jib, to fit to the downwind course. What we usually do is take the cart forwards. By doing so, we are pulling down the leech, pulling down the clew, which allow us to release a bit more and get the cylinder shape of the jib without losing the leech. On light winds, on small sails, we can do it by hand carefully, usually while releasing the jib. Right now, the jib sheet is pulling down on the leech, preventing the clew from rising and keeping the shape of the sail even though it's quite loose. The safest way to change the position on the cart and to take the traveler forwards is to do it on the lazy sheet. So when there is no tension, I can very easily take the traveler as much as I want. And now, when we dive to the new tack, it will be already in the right position for broad reach.